We are here at the second General Assembly for Singletree, and we are at the Living Lab Value Chain North, and we are hosted by SCA here in Sundsvall, Sweden. Should we not say some of the highlights we have seen though? Maybe?
Yeah, there are some key aspects
that we could highlight. First day here, we went on a field trip.
We had a great opportunity to see the full integrated value chain that SCA has implemented, and all of the digitalization that permeates this value chain.
So we looked at nature conservation, we looked at operation with full traceability of wood from the forest to the mill, and finally we looked at the mill where you have full traceability from the gate of the mill to the final product.
And we had all the great opportunity to have meetings and go through all kind of work packages and all data needs that we have, and a bit of getting updated on the work that has been done. But now it's a bit of a moment where things are really ramping up, and that's where we have to really focus on getting the things in place for the next 3 years to come.
We've seen the first flyover with the airship from Kelluu with LiDAR on board, so we see this as a really exciting way forward for collecting high-resolution LiDAR data across large forest areas. At the same time, we just carried out the first trial with our machine-based sensor solution, so that we both have canopy scanning and ongoing scanning during the operations.
This was a bit on the hardware side. On the software side, I think we're seeing some substantial advancements in terms of foundation models for forest point cloud data, which is something that has not been done until now, and it's showing really promising initial results. So I think now we are looking at ramping that up and seeing what the next steps. I think they're going to be very exciting for the whole community to see what comes out of this.
And really the combination of this efficient way of collecting the data combined with the improvement in AI methods is really what's going to make the difference. So I think we are at a very exciting time now, and we've seen a lot of the progress here. In a year, when we're going to Switzerland for the next meeting, I hope we really have seen a large progress, and I am quite confident that we will have seen that.
So see you in Switzerland.